hard at work making autonomous drifters that let scientists measure water quality better. Our HydroSphere measures continuously as it drifts freely with water currents for days at a time. While it's below the water surface, you can track its movement with a directional antenna, like John Gardner is doing here. When it's at the surface, visible here as the orange dot, the HydroSphere sends you a text message of its GPS position. A key feature is that it avoids getting stuck in river debris during floods, like the downed tree you see here in North Carolina. You saw the HydroSphere disappear as it was dragged down into this tangle of limbs, but watch it surface downstream as its design allows it to pass unobstructed and keep traveling. When it's below the surface, we often don't know what the underwater environment looks like. During a recent study in Wisconsin, Colin Smith and Luke Loken dove down to check. But to make it easier, we can mount a camera inside the HydroSphere, giving a fisheye view of the underwater world. This gives us a new way to survey plants and animals underwater, and here it just happened to catch a canoe traveling over it. Avoiding contact with boats at the surface is an important reason for the HydroSphere to stay submerged. Of course, this means we need a reliable way to bring it back to the surface. To guarantee recovery, the HydroSphere releases compressed gas to float itself at a predetermined time. Check out this view from inside the HydroSphere as it floats itself back to the surface from the bottom of a Florida spring. Our vision at Planktos Instruments is to develop the next generation of water monitoring tools that will advance the way we manage water and conserve our waterways. Thanks for catching up with us, and please visit our webpage to learn more and get in touch.